Hello everyone, it's wonderful to be speaking to such a bright and curious audience today. I'm here to introduce you to something that may not be on your radar just as yet, embedded systems. However, by the end of this session, I hope you'll be as fascinated by them as I have been over the last 30 years. Because embedded systems are at the heart of almost every technological innovation we see today. In fact, they are not just the unsung heroes of technology, they are the backbone of some of the most exciting advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning topics that I'm sure you'll all have heard about. So what is an embedded system? At its core, an embedded system is a specialized computer designed to perform a dedicated task, as simple as that. But unlike a laptop that might use in your schoolwork, embedded systems are built into the devices all around us, and they control specific operations within them. From your smartphone's camera to the Alexa in your home, embedded systems power the world in ways that you may not even realize and know. Let's take a quick trip down the memory lane. I come from someone 30 years ago. In the 1990s, embedded systems were simple and found in devices like digital watches, microwaves, and even early gaming console. Their job was straightforward: control one task efficiently. By the 2000s, embedded systems became more powerful and more integrated into complex consumer devices. For example, the cars. They began using embedded systems not just for the basic functions, but for things like anti-lock braking systems and navigation. And then came the explosion of Internet of Things in the 2010s. Suddenly, every object from your refrigerator to the light bulbs were becoming smart. Embedded systems were now controlling multiple devices connected to the internet, talking to each other. But most exciting part is what's happening today, where embedded systems and AI/ML are coming together. This is where the magic happens. Today, embedded systems are not just performing pre-programmed tasks, they are learning and adapting in real time, thanks to AI and ML. So let me give you some examples. Have you ever noticed how your smartphone's camera gets better at recognizing faces over time? That's not just a feature of the camera itself, but an AI system embedded in the phone. The phone learns how to improve the quality of photos based on past data. Devices like Alexa or Google Home use embedded AI systems to recognize your voice commands, learn about your preferences, and even predict what you might ask next. This is scary sometimes. So every time you use one of these assistants, its embedded system is learning your interactions and to improve its accuracy. Let's think about wearables like fitness trackers or smartwatches. Most of them are there on our wrist today. Not only do they monitor your heart rate and steps, but also with embedded AI, they can analyze trends in your health data. Some advanced systems can even predict health risks before they become serious, potentially saving lives. Perhaps one of the most exciting applications of AI in embedded systems is autonomous vehicles. These cars use embedded AI systems to make decisions in real time, analyzing data from sensors, cameras, you name it, and other vehicles to navigate roads safely. There are already some running in California and cities in China. Now, why is this combination of AI, ML, and embedded systems so powerful? Here's why. Traditionally, embedded systems followed a fixed set of instructions. They could do one task well, but were limited to what they were programmed to do. AI and ML changes that. They allow devices to learn from the data they process. So instead of just following a program, these systems can adapt and improve, making decisions based on real-time data. This is what powers the self-learning algorithms behind smart devices today. For example, think about smart home systems. Initially, they might just turn lights on and off based on your settings. But with AI/ML embedded, they can learn your routine. They can turn lights on when you're about to enter a room, or even adjust your thermostat based on the weather forecast. Embedded systems with AI and ML are becoming proactive rather than reactive. While some of the AI functions are carried out on the large servers, increasingly these are running on the embedded systems themselves, and this is called edge AI. The integration of AI into embedded systems is revolutionizing industries across the board. AI-powered embedded systems in medical devices can detect abnormalities in scans or monitor patient vitals in real time, alerting doctors to potential issues. AI embedded in drones and sensors is helping farmers monitor crop health and optimize watering and harvesting schedules. Factories use AI-powered robots and machines to monitor production, reduce waste, and even predict when maintenance is needed, improving efficiency and reducing downtime. Now, I'm sure many of you have dreams of becoming software developers, creating apps, or working on video games. These are all great fields, but I encourage you to think even bigger. By learning about embedded systems, you can work on the cutting edge of technology, whether it's creating the next generation of self-driving cars, designing life-saving medical devices, or building smarter, more connected cities as well. And embedded systems will be at the heart of it all. World needs engineers who understand how to make devices smarter, faster, and more efficient. And that is where embedded systems comes in. They are the key to unlocking the future. So as you start thinking about your path in engineering, I encourage you to dive into embedded systems and explore how they combine with AI/ML to shape the world. This isn't just about technology. It's about solving real-world problems, from healthcare to transportation and everything in between. So I leave you with this challenge. Don't just be users of technology, be the creators and innovators, and shape the future of embedded systems. Thank you, and I can't wait to see the innovations that come from all of you in the future.